Right, guys, I'm here at the Bangkok show number 13.
มีอะไรให้ใส่มอสหน่อยไหม
And
อันนี้เดี๋ยวให้
I've
เขา
come to
จ่าย
ask a little favour, Rainbow Fern, who I bought some Platycerium before. So he's going to mount it on a board. So we have this one I brought over from China. I've just purchased some sphagnum moss. It's 180 for 150 kilograms, and 500 grams is 350. So I brought my own board, and we're gonna have a little look at what we're gonna do. What's your name, sir?
My name is Wat
What?
W-A-T
I like Wat Temple.
โอ้โห
Like
not the same
Wataron, Wataron.
not the same
So this kind gentleman is definitely going to give me a hand to mount this. And I brought this one over from the Shenzhen plant show, I think back in March. And it's grown quite a bit, but it now needs a new pot. And this is the Fengshi Princess Crown Willinki Coral Mix Spore. So the first thing, so what are you doing? Placing this in the bag first? You put in bag first
yeah for
to make wet. So I think we need to get some water. How much water? Nitnoi?
a little bit
Only little. Okay. I know nitnoi.
just make a little bit of humidity
Okay, right. So he's got some nice coconuts here to the left. So it's just very minimal water. How often do you have to water Platycerium? Like once a week?
once a time
Once
a day
once a day?
Yes.
Okay. Because I do once a week.
อ่า
One every 7 days.
อ๋อโอเค
So I need to do some more water.
look at the bud first the
Yes.
bud has been on the top not like this no
Okay.
have to like this
Okay, so when it come down like this, you know,
yeah
that's the
the
top.
fertile front and the chiffon is
Okay.
come this way
So this is called the crown, right?
yes
The crown?
Yeah,
Okay. So the expert at work here, and he's making a little hole in the middle so he can stick this inside the middle. Oh, it looks good already. Expert. So what? How long have you been selling Platycerium? How long have you been working with Platycerium?
over 6 years
6 years.
yeah around that
So just before COVID.
yeah
Okay.
before
Yeah. And what is the key to mounting? How do you normally mount? So you make a kind of a hill,
อ๋อ
a mount,
you this to
and it keep it on.
yeah
So this Platycerium has been living in my little jungle box. Unfortunately, a couple of the fronds are broken off in the motorbike today, so I'm sure it's going to bounce back. Let's try and get a closer look in now. Ooh. And with this bit, the crown here,
yes
you leave outside the moss?
yeah
Yeah,
leave
you
outside.
don't put inside, no?
Hi.
Hello. So this will be a a lesson for me, guys, as well, because I've never actually done one of these before. So I can move it on or make it bigger, whichever. So the actual guy that sold me this, or gave me this in China, he actually from Chiang Mai in Thailand. And he's Fon Nursery, you say, Fon? This one, Fon?
Yes,
Fon Nursery.
like this.
Ooh, that's nice.
Success.
Success. And how many times, when will this need to be done again? Like once every year or once every 6 months?
Up to you. If the crown cover and it give them a pups. If you cut the pups.
You make more?
Yeah.
Okay. And this one here, you think this is good? Good one?
Good one.
You think this good? Okay, that's it. Look how quick that took. And I see people wrapping with fishing wire too. You know, this here, the wire. So you only have to just hold on to the board, right? You don't have to keep wrapping.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm sure this is gonna, now ideal condition, sunshine, no sunshine. Shade.
Shade is better.
And spray once a day.
Yeah.
Okay, and you wet the whole ball here inside?
Once a day and let them dry.
Okay. All right. And fertilizer, how many times fertilizer?
Fertilizer, I use the slow release.
So the little balls?
Yeah.
Okay.
Every 2 or 3 months.
Okay, just replace?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a fantastic job. He's done it a lot quicker than me. I panicked when I thought about putting this on, but I'm not coming on camera today because my tooth has actually got knocked out yesterday in a little accident. So I'm pretty ugly looking today.
Some people don't use this wire. They use a fish line.
Chai.
Because the transparent can see.
Oh yeah, but black on black is
Yeah,
okay, right?
can
I don't
see.
mind. Yeah, as long as the plant is good, it doesn't matter to me.
But the crown is covered.
And
will
it can
cover.
grow over.
Yeah,
Right.
and you disappear.
So
It will disappear.
how long will it take for the crown to grow over this moss ball?
Around fastest is 3 months.
3 months and then change again?
Yeah.
Okay. And I want to say a big thank you. This is the owner of. Say hello. What's your name? Who?
Goy.
Goy. And your daughter?
Roy.
Goy and Roy.
Ploy.
Ploy. Oh, okay. Ploy. I know Ploy.
Her assistant.
Okay. My accent too with the two. All right, guys. Thanks a lot, and thank you very much, Wat. So, back from the show, and hanging up my Platycerium along my plant rack here. And it is just cable tied onto the rack here. And won't get any morning sunshine or afternoon sunshine, so it's in the shady part of the garden. And right next to the river and the lush foliage. So hopefully that's going to grow really well in there. And as I said, this is my Platycerium Fongsiki cross Princess Crown cross Willinkii. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. If you want to see any more garden tips, plant related stuff, please give me a like, a subscribe, and also leave your comments down in the description box below. But here's a quick look at the jungle equipment and boxes and plants, etc. So yeah, thanks for watching.